Hey guys, Mixed Media Girl here. So I am using some more of the Alu Rim coaster sized panels. This is the silver color. I have done quite a few different sizes of these, but so far I've only done resin in them. So today we're going to do an acrylic pour in these, and then when they are dry, I will be sealing them. So check out the link for these in the description. They're awesome, all different sizes and different colors. And then I'm going to use my Loli Viffy silicone bowl here to pour out of. It does have a little bit of wet paint in the bottom, but that's okay. It's the same kind of paint we're using anyways. So here we go. Basically, I'm going to do something kind of fun today, hopefully. I'm going to use some cool colors first and do 2 of those with that. And then I'm going to do some warm colors. So hopefully that works out. And I don't remember actually if I said it, but these are the Artist Loft Ready Mixed Pouring Paints. So you get these from Michael's. You don't have to mix them with anything. They're already pre-mixed. I can't imagine needing a lot of paint for these little guys. So here I'm just using some teal, some purple, some white, and a little bit of blue. I'm actually going to add a little more purple, and the purple is going to be one of the colors I'm going to use with the warm colors anyways. So that should be enough, I think. Here we go. Now I'm really enjoying these Loli Viffy silicone bowls because they allow me to do a bunch of pours and I don't have to use any plastic cups. So I can mix the paints right in here if I need to. Or I can use them as my pouring cup, basically. And they're reusable, so it's really cool. So this should be enough for these. I'm just going to tilt it around. These are so cool because they've got these little rims. So it's literally like no mess. And I think these are just going to make some super duper gorgeous coasters. I'm really excited. Like I said, once these are all dry, I will be putting a little layer of resin in there as well. I'll be using the Stone Coat countertops countertop epoxy because that one is, I believe, the most heat resistant, scratch resistant, etc. Look how cool that is. Sorry, I get really excited. Okay, let's go ahead and do this one. And I think I used literally just the right amount. Don't want to put too much so that it, cracks or anything. So just getting a thin layer. And because we're not running any extra off, you do got to make sure you use the right amount. Another cool thing about these panels is you can paint on both sides. So you don't have to do on the inside here. You can paint on the other side. Especially if you're really not sure how much paint to use and you do want to run some off. If you're on the other side, you're of course totally fine. All right, so here's this one. Super exciting. Now one thing I've noticed with this paint is that it is best to torch because the air bubbles don't come out as well in this paint as it does in normal paints. Okay, good. Now here we go with the warm colors. There is, of course, still some of the cool colors left in there, but I'm really not going to worry about it. I'm going to start with purple. Then we'll go in here with a little bit of black, some red, and then we'll do some yellow. And then I think I might add a little more white. And these will be cool. And I think these will still look really good as like a set of 4. They'll just have 2 cool ones and 2 light ones. This white is almost empty. This is a regular white, not the metallic white. I also have a metallic in case anyone's wondering. Okay, let's add, I think just a tiny bit more yellow, tiny bit more red, and then we're good. I did put the purple in first, so that will definitely be in these. Here we go. Or at least it'll be in the second one. Okay. I definitely put more paint in that first one, but I think that's okay. They both have plenty. All right, once again, let's tilt. And I'm just carefully going underneath that rim without going over. I am slightly worried about this one because I filled it definitely fuller than I anticipated. But good news is it's been cold, so I'm thinking I don't really have to worry about it. Also good news is I think if it was to be not good, I could peel it right out. Probably. This one is super cool. I think this is my favorite out of the bunch. For anyone who knows me, I really love black. Probably use it way too much. And I also am a big fan of like rainbowish. Look at that one. So there you have it. Another really good thing about this paint is it really doesn't change as it dries. So these will all dry like this. And that is the end of our video for today. Let's torch these real quick. Let's do a really quick close-up of all of them. Okay. All super cool. This one's my favorite. And then this, I think this one's my second favorite, but it's really hard to choose. I think a flip cup could be really cool with these as well. All right, guys, I really hope you enjoyed this. Check out Lowly Veffy if you're interested in these bowls. And then also check out Craft Shop Metals for these aluminum panels. They're awesome. Make sure you are following me on Instagram if you want to see the dry and resined versions of these, because that's where I will be posting it. I will see you all next time.